Hello and welcome back to this hacking series where we are using the script from ChatGPT and it's hosted on Station X and customizing it for our own lab to hack and get reverse shells. Formalities again quickly is this is my lab. I'm allowed to hack it. If you have your own lab, please do your ethical hacking there and not do it unethically in the open against other companies. So in this video, we're going to be covering how to use the Nim Backdoor with Windows Defender running, and I'll show you how easy it is to pop a reverse shell with this. I'm not going to cover the installation of Nim. You do need to install a Nim compiler, which is the prerequisite, as well as I think it's PowerShell, not PowerShell, Python 3.6. Once all that is installed and you run Python with the actual file here, Nim Backdoor Py, what it does is it asks you for an IP address. So I'm just going to do a fictitious address in this instance. You put your port number in, you choose the flavor of OS, and then you give it a name. I'm going to call this test cool app. And what it'll do is it'll actually create it in this folder. If we go do a directory listing here, you'll see there's a test one. I've already created one that I'll be hosting here, and you'll see how quickly we will get a reverse shell. So I'm going to just minimize this and bring across my Windows machine. And before I do anything, let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, in the temp directory, I don't have a cool app file or exe. And if I look at Windows Defender, real-time protection is enabled. And if I go to the script, you'll see I just commented out some things. I'm pointing it to the Python HTTP server here. That is where I'm going to pull the file from. I'm going to store it in CWindows temp. I'm then going to obviously invoke the web request, and then I'm going to run it, and then you'll see how quickly I get a reverse shell. So let's run it. And once it downloads, boom, there we go. I have a reverse shell. We'll come back to this right now. I just want to show you that Windows Defender is still running. There's my cool app that I just generated with Nim. And let me just move this out the way here. And if now you can see I've got a reverse shell. If I do a directory listing there, if I go to oh, come on. Oh, doesn't allow me to. Okay, that's interesting. Create the reverse shell, but you can't actually go back anyway. Okay, so interesting. It's the first time I've done this. I thought I would try and see what it does. So as you can see, yes, I have a reverse shell, but it doesn't seem that I can run anything or go anywhere other than the directory that I'm in. Now, obviously, you can play around with this in your lab. You can use Nim to create your reverse shell, and I'll play around with this and see why it's not working. But as you can see, another method you can use, again, using PowerShell to dump another application to get a reverse shell, and you can then do what you need to do. So I hope this helps. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.